Definition of learner, learning, teacher and classroom from different point of view. Behavioristic view, cognitivist view, constructivist view. Behaviorism theory focuses on the behavior of the learner and changes in behavior that occur when learning take place. Underpinning by the principle of stimulus responses. All behavior is explained without the need to consider internal mental state or consciousness. Behavioristic view of learner. Learner is passive. Learner responding to environmental stimuli. Behavioristic belief learner behavior is shaped by positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. Learner does not have any opportunity for evaluation or reflection within the learning process. Behavioristic view of learning. Teacher is the dominant person in the classroom. Complete control, evaluation or reflection within the learning process. In the learning process, the teacher decides what is right or wrong. Learning only focuses on the external changes of the learner, have no any importance to the emotional or mental state of them. Example of application of behavioristic view of learning: rote work, repetitive practice, bonus point, participation points, and verbal reinforcement. Behavioristic view of teacher. Teacher is the dominant person. Teacher provides stimuli, material, and promoting the correct responses. Classical conditioning, operant conditioning, and social learning. Teacher can encourage or discourage a student by using positive or negative reward. Teacher should be role model for students. Teacher use of technology, new software or computer program for all students. He motivates, facilitates learning. Teacher should present material in small portion. Teacher should use repetition and lots of practice. Provide individual, more individual work than group, so that student can learn individually and they can improve their self. As in the group, few students are already engaged and the few students are in the passive mode. That's why teacher should use individual work than a group. Behavioristic view of classroom. A teacher uses behaviorism to manage his or her classroom. Teacher should use operant conditioning to reward or punish his or her student for their work. Cognitivism focuses on mental process including how people think, perceived and learn to solve problem and their attention to one stimulus. Totally different from behaviorism. It focuses the processing of information, how the learner organize new information within the pre-existing one. Student is active role. Students should think deeply and answer question about the topic to further develop their understanding. Students use sensory short-term memory and long-term memory to store information learning in class. Students come up with the mnemonic device to remember facts use existing knowledge to connect new information to help students retain information. Technology can be used to organize information into charts, graphs, concepts, map, etc. Cognitive view of learning. Cognitive learning believe learning occur through internal processing of information. Learning includes the recognition of experiences either by attaining new insight of changing old ones. Example of application of cognitive learning: classify or chunking information, linking concept, providing structure, discussion, and problem solving. Teacher is to assist the learner application to the proper learning strategies, and the learner is active in the learning process. Expository teaching: teacher gives student the tools to organize information for easier coding, storage, and retrieval. Retrieval. Meaningful learning method teachers should use in their classes. When processing new information, the teacher used old information to introduce new information and made connection. There are many methods, we are using one method, known to unknown. Dual coding: both text and picture or sound while instructing gives student a better chances of remembering and encoding the information. Technology can easily used to enhance a lesson, and the dual coding method. Cognitive view of classroom. Teachers should understand and incorporate different learning style in classroom. Each student has a different type of intelligence. They use their dominant intelligence while also working to improve their non-dominant intelligence. Constructivism, a theory based on observation and scientific study about people, how people learn. Learner construct their own understanding and their knowledge of the world through experience and reflecting on these experiences. Constructivist view of learner, student center. Learner must construct their own understanding of the world in which they live. Learner is self-directed, creative, and innovative in nature. Develops skills by solving gained from experimentation or and increasing the confidence in their learning. Constructivist view of learning. Constructivist view of learning, the learner constructs their own knowledge. Now, constructivist view of learning, hands-on approach, students control their own learning process. Constructivism is closely linked to learning through social learning and project-based learning. Teacher role is to facilitate discussion. Teacher is only a guide. Avoid Johnson identified three major roles of teachers to support students. Modeling, behavioral modeling, how to perform the activities identified in the activity structure. Cognitive modeling articulates the reasoning that learner should use while engaged in the activities. Coaching, Good coach motivates learners, analyze their performance, provide feedback and advice on the performance and how to learn about how to perform and provide reflection and articulation was learner. Scaffolding systematic approach to supporting the learner, focusing on the task, environment, the learner, the teacher, and the learner. Provides temporary framework to support learning and student performance beyond their capacities. Constructivistic view of classroom. The learner are actively involved. The environment is democratic. The activities are interactive and student centered. Some activities encouraged in constructivist classroom are experimentation, research project, field trips and films.